gonna try like 5 minutes makeup tutorial. This is going to be really fast and really easy. First I'm gonna try my moisturizer. I'm not gonna use foundation. I'm gonna use my concealer, which is MAC concealer. I'm gonna use some of my concealer and moisturizer here. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my hand because I don't like to use beauty blender for concealer or even foundation, so I'm just gonna apply it here and then I'm gonna apply on my face. I'm just gonna apply it. I'm going to use my crayon lipstick to do my eyeshadow here. In the outer corner, I'm just gonna apply and smudge it out. I'm gonna draw a very soft wing with my brow pencil. It's gonna look very natural because we're going for this natural look, so this is going to be perfect for it. I'm using my lipstick as a blush and I'm going to lightly dab it on my face with my beauty blender. And I'm gonna dab a little bit on my nose because it looks cute, I guess. Look at all the sweat. It's really hot out here. It's 36 degrees Celsius, which is like pretty bad. Just gonna pop a little bit of powder to set the whole thing. There's an instruction work going on right in front of my window, so you can hear all the noises. So it's crazy, and making video is really hard in this environment, but I'm still doing my best to make some content out there. I didn't mention, but if I want to contour, I don't want to go too crazy on my nose, so I'll just use my, look at this, I already I just use, look at this, it's all bust. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna apply like corner of my nose. Then I'm gonna go right over here and create a light shadow. You can use your contour brush, but I just like to use my finger because I don't want full on definition. I just like to use a little bit of it and give it kind of color to it. Yeah. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a good day. So this is it, I guess. It's not working. Hair up like this or not. How about you tie your